There it is, Alex. The patrol car is almost completely submerged right there.
Yeah, the driver's side looks clear, but the current might be tricky.
I can't believe we're actually doing this. Look at that view. Oh, just hold on tight. This mud is deep.
Looks like they lost control and bailed before it sank. That's an old Ford Taunus, and it's almost completely underwater.
All right, we're starting the recovery. Let's move in closer and check the situation. Yeah, that's deep. Good thing we came prepared. Let's look inside. Everything's flooded. There are even chunks of snow and ice floating around. This car is gonna be way heavier because of all that water.
Ugh, there are old soaked rags in here too.
The engine's completely wet. No way this thing drives out on its own.
Good thing there's no battery. A soaked battery would be dangerous.
Okay, here's the kinetic strap. Take this end and head to the cruiser. Bring it back right here. Easy now, slowly. Hold it. Okay, cut the engine, we're hooked up. You should have seen how much water poured out of it.
Here's what it looks like inside. Yeah, everything needs drying.
No way the engine starts like this. We'll tow it back to base.
There's way too much fluid inside the engine. We'll have to drain everything and refill it.
Wait, no way! Weapons? The police left a shotgun and a baton in the trunk! That's insane! What a find!
Look at this thing, man. Can you believe it? Ugh. This is incredible. It's beautiful.
All right, heading back to base.
All right, keep it straight, push. We're almost there. Just a little more, come on. The exhaust pipe snapped right here.
And that rust is deep. We have our work cut out for us.
He reaches out and firmly twists the corroded metal radiator cap counterclockwise, lifting it off. He dips his
Welcome back to the junkyard, folks. Check out our latest project, the Ronaldo Mobile. Look at that screaming head. Come on, let's see what's inside.
Come on, get out of there. I need this. Yes, finally.
Get out of the car now, hands where I can see them. Police, freeze, don't move.
Thanks for watching the swamp recovery, everyone.
It was a wild ride, but we did it. See you next time.